This is part 2 of the 49 Chevy 3100. So this is, like I said, at my buddy's work. He's a auto tech teacher at a Votech high school. So I'm only able to get over here maybe one day a week, but got a good bit done today. Got all the front suspension ripped off. Started tearing the old small block down. This is coming out. Pretty sure I said in another video, you can't see it, but there's a LS over there that's going in it. Pretty much what I worked on today was the front suspension. Replaced the upper and lower control arms, all new poly bushings, tie rod ends. I need the coupler, like the turnbuckle. For whatever reason the kit didn't come with those, but replaced all the ball joints, new 3-inch drop spindles, got the bags in, and just temporarily have it on just a Y. So this is kind of what we got. It's just on shop air right now, so it's slow, but yeah, I have a 3/8 4-corner manifold for it, so it'll let air out way quicker, 'cause this is crazy slow. Oh, it's on the lift. Hold on. The lift is holding it up. I was like, why isn't it going lower? Alright, hold on. Hold on. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, that's all the way aired out, so it doesn't quite lay frame, but pretty close, and that's good enough for me. So this is kind of hard to tell without the fenders and whole front end on. See if you can tell. For comparison, the back, it's still on the leaf springs for now. It's a crazy rake. So yeah, I have a C-notch and started putting the triangulated 4-link in there, but yeah, this is how far I got today. Everything's still loose, all the control arms, and I got to tighten everything down and torque it, but I just wanted to get it all kind of mocked up. So tomorrow his students, they're gonna pull the old motor, and then I won't be able to get over here for maybe a week or two, but once I get over here. Where did he put it? Actually don't know where he moved my motor. Oh, it's over here. So this is the little 4.8 LS that's going in it. I think I said that last time, but we're gonna rip all that apart, and I have a new cam, everything. We're changing everything on that. So, but yep, this is where we are. I mean, these aren't really going to be like how-to videos or anything. They're just going to be sort of updates. I don't have time to set this up and record and, you know, whatever while I'm working on it and explain every little thing. I just kind of want to get in there and get working. But yeah, I'll make little update videos as I go. All right, thanks.